Hi, I am Sukruth Kashyap and I cleared my CA Intermediate in January 2021. When the results came out and I got to know that I secured an All India rank 7, I was shocked, but at the same time I felt incredibly happy, and my parents too were extremely happy and proud of me. JKSC provided us with a comprehensive study material that enabled me to understand the concepts clearly and effortlessly. Through their WhatsApp doubt solving session, I was able to understand some of the difficult concepts clearly, and the revision lectures brought out by the lecturers at JKSC were beneficial, as I could brush up my memory in one video that covered all the topics briefly. With JKC providing me revision lectures, test series, and doubt solving session all in one place, there was no need for me to check other sources for the same. When I first got to know that our syllabus would be covered online through recorded lectures, I was not quite sure how effective it would be. But when I saw those recorded videos, I felt as if I didn't miss any face-to-face classes. Of course, physical classes are always better, but through the help of these online videos, I was able to review them whenever I wanted. They also provided us with a detailed study plan which helped me cover my syllabus on time. The study plan provided by JKC allocated time for day-to-day studies, which helped me keep up to date with the lectures. During my study period, I concentrated on those subjects in which I was not strong enough, but kept revising the other subjects regularly. During the extra time that I got between November and January, I concentrated on those subjects in which I was not confident enough, and by the time I attempted in January, I was thorough with all my papers. The one factor which kept me going was my ambition to clear intermediate in the first attempt itself. Although there were times where I felt exhausted, I pulled myself together and kept going strong. What I want to say is that your attitude towards your studies is the most important thing, and always remember that the efforts you put would never go waste. So keep trying hard until you reach your goal. All the best.